Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at two systems in an attic. We're looking at a 3-ton system right here, and then on this side of the attic over here is a 4-ton system. I'm going to go through these systems and let you know what's going on. And as always, please like our video and subscribe to our page. I will be doing a follow-up video on this on the condensers outside that match with this. So these are both Carrier variable speed furnaces. Before they were also a Carrier system up here, so we switched it out with a new Carrier system. So these are more efficient furnaces. We changed to a I-Wave air purifier for their air purification. So that is actually located inside the blower cabinet of the furnace, and that comes on whenever the fan, the heat, or the coolant is on. You can see the flue vent is going up right here. That is the return plenum right here, where the return duct comes off and goes around and attaches to the grill that pulls in the air where the actual 1-inch filter is. On this side over here, we have the new Carrier coil right there. We have a drain pan underneath this coil. We have a secondary shutoff switch on that pan, so if any water were to hit it, it would kill the system. And then we did a new supply plenum, which is right here, and that's where the ducts come off of that. We move over to the 4-ton system. It's a very similar setup. We have our return plenum on the back with the return duct going over here, and that serves the downstairs of this house. The flue vent is right there going up through the roof, 4-inch B vent. We also did an I-Wave air purifier on this system as well. It's on 6-inch furnace stands. You can see the coil right there, also with the drain pan, new gas flex piped in the refrigerant lines right there, and then the new supply plenum on this. So if you have any more questions about Carrier systems, furnaces, attic installs, horizontal coils, anything like that, please let us know in the comments section below. Again, please like this video and subscribe to our page. I will be doing a follow-up video on this with the outside condensers, so you can see what those look like. Again, these are Carrier variable speed furnaces, so outside they are matched with a 3-ton and a 4-ton 2-stage 17 SEER condenser. Okay, thank you very much. If you have anything you need, visit us at albertair.com. Give us a call at 714-526-6368. Thank you.